Good evening to one and all present over here. So the topic for today's lecturette is gender inequality. When I talk about gender inequality, it is something that not only our country but instead the whole globe is facing. Now, when I talk about the reason for gender inequality, so though there are four basically reason of gender inequality. The first one is the education, second one is the health, third one is the economy, and the fourth one are the polity. So on the basis of these four key factors, every year from the 2006 gender inequality index is getting published by one of the organization. And when I talk about the ranking, so the Finland and the Norway stands on the topmost position, and our country stands on the 108th position out of the 150 country that has been surveyed till the previous year. So seeing this vast range of disparity between the men and women, there is a high need that proper awareness is being spread among the people. So talking about in detail about these four key parameters, the first one is the health sector. So in the health sector, we could see that there is a huge disparity or the discrimination that is based on the male and the female, due to which we could see that the health condition is more focused for the men, and in relatively the health condition of the women are neglected in most of the country. The second one is the education. We could have seen that in the villages or in the deprived section of the society, there are some mindset of the people that they do not to educate their women. If in case they are educating their women, that is mostly up to the primary level. They are at the very less population of the female are being sent for the higher education to pursue their higher degree. The third thing is the political. We could see that the representation of the women in the politics is quite restricted and it is quite low. Until and unless the women start sitting on the topmost position of our country, then the condition of the women to the grassroots level cannot be improved. This is the universal proven fact. And the fourth and the last and the very foremost is the economical importance. So we could also see that if the two person, one is male and female, are working at the same position in the same company, then we could also see that there is the income of both the people are completely different. Here also you could see that there is some disparity, that is discrimination that is done on the basis of the gender. So these are the key factor which are lead reason for gender inequality, as we know that and when I talk about the root of all the four causes, it is just the social mindset of the people. So we need to change the social mindset of the people. Although the government of India has been trying continuously in order to reduce the gender disparity or the gender inequality, they have also in the most of the state they have also started a reservation system where the 50 up to 50% reservation is being given to the women's candidate, but these still we could see that there is huge amount of gap between the gender of male and female. There are many more initiatives that needs to be taken, and it could not be a one directional. Along with the government, the public and the people should also join hand in order to support the government, and the government need to ensure that the good policies and the positive policies are made in order to reduce the gender inequality gap between the gender inequality. Thank you.